case has been registered at the APMC Yard police station in Bellary concerning the alleged misuse of 16.17 crore rupees from the Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board Bellary Zone Office. 7 people are accused in the case, including Santosh Kumar, a former contract employee of the office, and staff from a private bank. The complaint filed by Bellary Zone Executive Engineer S.M. Kollalagi states that funds were transferred from the department's bank account between October 15, 2022 and February 20, 2026. Santosh Kumar H.V, who was dismissed in October 2025, is the main accused. He allegedly forged signatures of officials and misused the office seal on departmental checks to transfer money to multiple accounts. Suspicion has also been raised regarding the involvement of the private bank staff, as some checks that were not supposed to be encashed were reportedly proceeded. When transaction details were retrieved from the bank on March 3rd, the alleged irregularities were confirmed. The funds were reportedly misappropriated during the tenures of different executive engineers: 12.19 crore rupees during G.H. Sridhar's tenure, October 15, 2022 to June 24, 2025, 2.48 crore rupees and 2.90 crore rupees under Janardhan Nayak, and 1.50 crore rupees during Kollalagi's period, December 30, 2025 to February 20, 2026. Investigations indicate that much of the money transferred eventually returned to Santosh Kumar's account.
2026, a criminal case of cheating and forgery is registered in APMC police station limits. The complainant, who is an executive engineer working with KIADB Zonal Office Bellary, in his complaint mentions that amount to the tune of 16 crore 17 lakh 98,000 is fraudulently siphoned off by one of their temporary contractual employee with the help of allegedly with the help of bank, wherein the signatures of the executive engineer were forged by this employee, and the amount was fraudulently transferred to other accomplices or private persons who are known to this employee. The fraud has happened between a time period from 2022 till 2026, and the amount forged or siphoned off is to the tune of 16 crore 17 lakh. In this regard, a case under appropriate sections of BNS is registered in APMC police station under crime number 65/2026, and investigation is under progress.